Move the mouse cursor to the top right corner of the screen to access the Charms menu. Click on the Search Charm and then click on Settings. Type System in the search box and click System on the search result. On the System window, click on Change Settings. On the System Properties window, click on Advanced tabs. Under Performance section, click on Settings button. On the Performance Options window, click on the Advanced tab and then click on the Change button. On the Virtual Memory window, uncheck the checkbox next to Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives and select Custom Size. Type the initial and maximum paging file size for the selected drive and then click Set to confirm. Click OK and then click OK again. Click OK twice again and then click Restart Now to restart your computer to let the changes take effect.